Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Amid minor compilation headache mentioned BTC hold strategy in July, some of the world's largest Bitcoin miners have been selling the barks to finance operations during the bear market, but not headache, the Canadian mining company, which traders publicly in the Nasdaq and Toronto Stock Exchange, maintained its diamond hands in July as its Bitcoin reserve grew to had mentioned an activity hold strategy that involves depositing all safe minutes BTC into custody. The company's resolve is truly impressive given how fast and hard Bitcoin price have fallen. Don't miss it, is your soul safe? Solana was the target of another coordinated attack this moment after hackers stole 1 million crypto from ecosystem wallet swap. Possible due to invasion, design and security threats of to achieve higher trust. Solana has been the largest of several exploits over the past year that leads us to the vital question: is your Solana actually safe? In the Wiz Market Report analysis, Marcel Beckman, Yeshu Gola and Benton Yuan debate whether Sol investors should be legitimately concerned. You can watch the full reply below. CryptoBiz is your weekly push the buttons behind Bitcoin and crypto delivered directly to your inbox every Thursday. Wealth manager invest helping the reveal intentional crypto education. With financial access, the crypto bear market has instilled a lot of fear in several investors. But for intentions and future funds, adoption has been ramping up. As futurists, I had the opportunity to management from Web Financial who explained that high net worth individuals and institutional investors are increasing their exposure to digital assets. During the last bear market, intention were asking is the in crypto of growth. Now the question seems to be much more around. Is this the right time to get in? Coinbase post blows in on fast and furious crypto downturn. We all know the crypto exchange business good night in the second quarter due to the market. As it turned out, the performance of the crypto exchange Coinbase was worse than expected. The company booked a massive 1 billion loss between April and June, easily its first quarter since going public in 2021. Revenues were also down quarter on quarter and compared with year-ago levels, although crypto prices have rebounded modestly over the past month. That means there could be more pain in store. Coinbase in the short term. Amid minor compilation had a mentioned hotly strategy in July, some of the world's largest Bitcoin miners have been selling their bikes to finance operations during the bear market. But not Headache, the Canadian mining company, which trades publicly in the Nasdaq and Toronto Stock Exchange. My instead is demand hence 1 July as Bitcoin reserve mentioned an active strategy that involves depositing outside minded BTC into custody. The company's resolve is truly impressive given how fast and hard Bitcoin price has fallen. Don't miss it. Is your soul's continued attack this due to its ambition, design and security threats of to achieve higher throughput. Solana has been the target of several exploits over the past year. This leads us to the vital question: is your Solana actually safe? In this week, market report analysis Marcus Pesman Yosulago and Betianion debate whether incarnate. You can watch the full reply below. CryptoFizz weekly post the business behind Bitcoin and crypto delivered directly to your inbox every Thursday. You might now not it, but Canada is quickly becoming a major player in the blockchain and crypto scene. Ethereum has strong Canadian roots. Toronto-based launched North America's first specially satellite Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, and the percentage of active crypto holders in the country has increased steadily over the past 4 years. Against the backdrop, I had the pleasure of attending this year's Bitcoin Futures Conference in Toronto, where I got to do moderate 2 panels on rebuilding the financial system through Web3 and onboarding the next wave of crypto users. The event after is another reminder that the industry brightest minds are still building amazing products. despite current market conditions. Not to sound overly cliche, but it's hard to be resist of the digital asset if you adopt a lifetime privacy. Maybe that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.